I've got a little job here I actually want to do for myself. These are a clamp for clamping cameras or lights. I use them quite a lot. So I've got a clamp and I've got a ball head there and a quick release for my camera. I need that to go from that thread there. It says quarter W on there, so it'll be quarter width, which it is. That's a quarter width at the top. Another one that'll fit, but it does screw in. And this one here, it'll be 3/8 width, which it does screw in. It could be ONC, but width is basically the same. It's strange how on cameras that they still use width and ONC threads. Right, so I need to make a little adapter, 3/8 width to quarter width. I'll just use a bit of bar, turn it down to 3/8 width thread, and then put a quarter thread on the end of it, and that'll be a little adapter for there. And that'll be one more very handy camera mount I can use. I've got a suitable bit of brass bar in the lathe to make it out of that. This needs turning down to 3/8, which is basically 9.5 mil, so we'll turn it down to 9.5. Put some 3/8 threads on it. Needs 3 mil off that. Two. Little lead on for the die to start on. Right, we'll put the 3/8 thread down first and then machine the material down to quarter to take the quarter thread. That's where it started now. You can actually use power on this. These are really old dies, but the English dies are nice and sharp. Haven't seen a lot of use. Put a nice thread on there. Nice sharp clean thread. Which is roughly screw into here. Which it does, it's nice and tight, that's what I want. I don't want a slack thread. I don't want it that tight. If you look at the die, it's called a split die. That's because it's got a split in it. So you can tighten the die up. Loosen that one off. And you screw these two in and that closes the die up, so you can adjust the threads to a certain degree to get the sort of fit you need. Right, so that should close it up quite nicely. and that's better. So that just shows how your adjustable dies actually do work. Right now we just turn it out to quarter. There's some quarter threads put on it. Quarter 6.33 thereabouts. So we need 2.7 off this. Touch it off. Take a 1mm cut first. I'll take the 2 off. Right, now we're ready for the quarter die onto there. So that's a quarter thread on there. We'll try that in the other part of the mount. Right, that's good in. It's not particularly one level fit. When it tightens onto a shoulder, I'll be on a Loctited in, so it'll seem to do the job. That's quite badly worn in there. That's badly worn in there. I could possibly drill that out and just use a straightforward 3/8 adapter, but it's done now. Right, part it off now. Let's use that to catch it because it'll go at the bottom of the lathe now, as you've seen again. Before I part that right off, I should have put a little chamfer on there, but I didn't. There's lots of things I should do, but I don't. Yeah, that screws into there. Put 2 nuts on, lock together and screw it in, saves damaging the threads. That's a nice tight fit in there, which is just what I wanted. It's not going to come loose. Bastard, it's just snapped the end of it. John. Right, we'll make another one. We'll make it actually a little bit slacker in there. Right, now of course I can't throw that out, so my little 5-minute job is getting a little bit complicated. I'll take it to bits and see what lives inside of here. Interesting. Just like a thrust pad. And that's what locks it up. Right, so now we know how that works. We need to get that out of there that some clumsy bastard snapped off. This is just typical of what happens when I try to do something for myself. No, in there. It's wobbling about a little bit, but I think it should remove the thread that was in the 8mm drill. This has in fact. So you can see it's removed it without damaging the thread. I put a thread tap through there just to make sure it's going to be good. I just need to make another little tap on there and that should be good to go. It's not too bad and you can pull yourself out the shite, so to speak. Thanks for a battle, there's no threads. Right, so we're back to where we started from. Managed to get that piece of brass out of there. Oh, you can see that bastard. I don't know what it is, but when I try to do something for myself, it always sort of goes a little bit tits up on us. Anyway. Right, we'll screw the little thing back in this time. Hopefully it'll clear this time and not go horrible on us. I close the die right in so it's a nice tight thread, or a nice tight thread, but at least the thread that will screw in and not snap off. And we'll get our spanners out. Right, so that's screwed onto there nicely. Now we need the clamp part screwed on. Right, that screws onto there, hopefully. Like that. And then we've got another camera mount. Right, so basically I can mount this anywhere I want in the shop, as long as there's something rigid. The safe clean with our tripods, and the camera can be mounted on there, pointing wherever I want it to point. A very versatile tool. I use them all the time. I've got 2 or 3 of them. Onto that quick release plate, and then I can point it into the air or whatever I want to do with it. A really robust, strong little camera mount. Good for vehicles as well. I've used them in Richard's steam wagon before. So at least I've managed to do something for myself. Very nice. Once again, it's just time to say thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and also a massive thanks for all the well wishes that have come in, especially from my dad.